In this video, we will do chapter number 9 of Anything in Hand, The Tiger in the House. I'll explain the chapter. After that, we will do the question answer. Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather in the Teri jungle near Dehra. One day, when grandfather was strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, he discovered a little tiger about 18 inches long, hiding among the intricate roots of banyan tree. Grandfather picked him up and brought him home. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bashed any game, dead or alive. टिम्बथी, जो कि शेर का बच्चा था, उसे दादाजी ने तेरी के जंगल में खोजा था, जो कि डेहरा के पास था। एक दिन जब दादाजी जंगल के रास्ते से जा रहे थे, उनके रास्ते से थोड़ा हटकर उन्हें एक बाघ का बच्चा मिला, जो कि बरगद के पेड़ की जड़ों के पास था। उन्होंने उसे उठाया और घर ले आए। यह लगभग 18 इंच लंबा था। अपने शिकारियों के समूह में दादाजी अकेले ऐसे व्यक्ति थे जिन्हें कोई भी पशु मिला था, जिंदा या मृत। At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in feeding bottle by our cook, Mahmood. But the milk proved too rich for him, and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. शुरुआत में उसे केवल दूध पिलाया जाता था। दादी ने उसका नाम टिम्मथी रखा था। शुरुआत में टिम्मथी को रसोई महमूद के हाथों केवल दूध की बोतल से दूध दिया जाता था। बाद में उसे कच्चा मांस और कॉड मछली का तेल दिया जाने लगा, और कुछ दिनों बाद उसे बहुत अधिक ललचाने वाले कबूतर और खरगोश का भोजन दिया जाता था। Timothy was provided with two companions, Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. टिम्मथी के दो साथी थे, टोटो जो कि एक बंदर था, जो कि इतना शैतान था कि वो टाइगर युवा बाघ के पूंछ खींच लेता था और पर्दे पर चढ़ जाता था, जबकि टिम्मथी नाराज हो जाता था तब। और एक छोटा सा पिल्ला जो कि दादाजी को सड़क पर मिला था। At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. He would make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreat to a ridiculously safe distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. शुरुआत में टिम्मथी कुत्ते के बच्चे से बहुत ही डरता था। और उसके पास आने से बचता था। वह इधर-उधर भागता था और अपने पंजे खरोंचता था और उसे ऐसा लगता था कि वो अब सुरक्षित दूरी पर है। लेकिन कुछ समय बाद उसके मन से वह डर निकल गया और उसने उस पिल्ले को अपनी पीठ पर चढ़ने दिया और वहां आराम करने दिया। One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him. And so when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of Tiger's favorites. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight, and pretending to bite my ankles. टिम्बटी को हर किसी के साथ खेलना बहुत पसंद था। इसलिए जब मैं अपने दादाजी के साथ रहने के लिए आया तो टिमोथी मेरा दोस्त बन गया। वह मेरे पास रेंगता हुआ आता, मेरी पीठ पर खेलता और कई बार मेरी एड़ियों को चाटने लगता था। He was by this time the size of full-grown retriever, and when I took him out for walks, people on the road would give us a wide berth. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room, and he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with great dignity and sneering at anybody who tried to get him off. Timothy had a clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarter and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. अब तक वो एक रिट्रीवर कुत्ते के साइज का हो गया था, और जब मैं उसे घुमाने के लिए बाहर लेकर जाता था तो सड़क पर लोग हमें देखा करते थे। जब वो अपनी चेन जोर से खींचता था तो मुझे उसको रोकने में बहुत मुश्किल होती थी। उसका पसंदीदा स्थान ड्राइंग रूम था, और वो बड़े से सोफे पर आराम से बैठा रहता था, और जो भी कोई उसे वहां से हटाने की कोशिश करता था उस पर गुर्राता था। टिम्मती की आदतें साफ सुथरी थी। वह बिल्कुल बिल्ली की तरह अपने पंजे से अपने चेहरे को साफ करता था। वह रात में रसोई घर में सोता था और सुबह उस रसोइये के द्वारा बाहर निकाले जाने पर खुश होता था। One of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. Of course, it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When out for walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied crackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Timothy had to be chained up for more often, and finally, when he began to stalk Mahmoud about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo. एक दिन दादी माँ ने घोषणा की, किसी दिन हमें टिम्मथी महमूद के बिस्तर पर बैठा मिलेगा और हमें उस कुक के रसोइये के केवल कपड़े और जूते ही मिलेंगे। बिल्कुल, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ। टिम्मथी लगभग 6 महीने की हुई थी तब उसके व्यवहार में बदलाव आने शुरू हो गए। वो कम दोस्ताना होता जा रहा था। जब भी उसे घुमाने के लिए बाहर ले जाते तो वो किसी बिल्ली या कुत्ते का पीछा कर छिप छिप कर निकल जाता था। कभी कभी रात को मुर्गियों के बाड़े से बहुत भयानक आवाजें आती थी और सुबह बरामदे में सब जगह उनके पंख बिखरे मिलते थे। अब टिम्मथी को चेन से ज्यादा बांधा जाने लगा, और जब आखिर में उसने कुक महमूद का पीछा करना शुरू किया, खतरनाक इरादों थे, तो दादाजी ने निश्चय किया कि अब समय था कि उसे अब चिड़ियाघर भेज दिया जाए। Reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well fed and fairly civilized tiger. About 6 months later, when my grandfather were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when I returned to Dehra. दादाजी ने अपने और टिम्मथी के लिए पहली श्रेणी में रिजर्वेशन कराया क्योंकि उनके साथ कंपार्टमेंट में कोई भी जाना नहीं चाहता था। दादाजी उसे लखनऊ लेकर गए और जू के अथॉरिटीज़ बहुत खुश थे इस उपहार को पाकर, क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छा और तंदुरुस्त बाघ उन्हें मिल रहा था। 6 महीने बाद जब मेरे दादाजी एक रिश्तेदार से मिलने लखनऊ गए, तो उन्होंने चिड़ियाघर में फ़ोन किया कि वो देखना चाहते हैं कि टिम्मथी अब कैसा है। मैं उनके साथ नहीं था, लेकिन मैंने सब कुछ सुना जब दादाजी लौटकर दोहराए। Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. The tiger was there, crouching in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent stripped coat. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather, and put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bar and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. चिड़ियाघर पहुंचते ही दादाजी सीधे उस पिंजरे में गए जहां पर टिम्मथी को रखा गया था। बाघ वहीं था, एक कोने में बैठा हुआ। वो पूरी तरह से बड़ा हो चुका था और उसके शरीर पर बहुत अच्छी धारियां थीं। हेलो टिम्मथी, दादाजी ने कहा और अपनी बाहें पिंजरे के अंदर कर दी। बाघ उन पिंजरे के सलाखों के पास आया और दादाजी ने अपने हाथ उसके सर के चारों तरफ कर लिए। दादाजी उसका माथा सहलाने लगे और उसके कान, और जब भी वह गुर्राता था दादाजी उसका मुंह बंद कर देते, जैसा कि वो पहले करते थे। He licked grandfather's hand, only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snared at him. Grandfather shooed the leopard away, and the tiger returned to lick his hands. But every now and then leopard would rush at the bars and he would slink back to his corner. उसने दादाजी के हाथ चाटने शुरू किए और वह तभी पीछे हटता था जब बराबर के पिंजरे में आया हुआ तेंदुआ उसकी ओर घुर्राता था। दादाजी ने उस तेंदुए को भगा दिया और बाघ वापस आकर उनके हाथ चाटने लगा, लेकिन बीच बीच में तेंदुआ भागता हुआ आता था उसकी तरफ और बाघ वापस अपने कोने में लौट जाता था। A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. बहुत सारे लोग वहां इकट्ठा हो गए दादाजी को उस बाघ से मिलते हुए देखने के लिए। तभी वहां चिड़ियाघर का एक रक्षक आया भीड़ के बीच से निकलकर और दादाजी से पूछा कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं। I am talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? I haven't been here very long, said the surprise keeper. Please continue your conversation, but I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad tempered. मैं टिम्मथी से बात कर रहा हूँ, दादाजी ने कहा। क्या तुम यहाँ नहीं थे जब 6 महीने पहले मैं इसे चिड़ियाघर को देकर गया था? मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा समय से नहीं हूँ, आश्चर्यचकित रक्षक ने कहा। कृपया अपनी बातचीत जारी रखिए। लेकिन मैं कभी इसे छू नहीं पाया। यह हमेशा बहुत ही गुस्से वाला है। Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. That leopard keeps frightening him. I will go and see the superintendent about it. तुम इसे कहीं और क्यों नहीं रखते? दादाजी ने सलाह दी। वो तेंदुआ इसे परेशान करता है। मैं जाकर सुपरिटेंडेंट से बात करूंगा इस बारे में। Grandfather went in search of superintendent of the zoo, but found that he had gone home early, and so after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. It was beginning to get dark. दादाजी जू के सुपरिटेंडेंट को ढूंढने के लिए गए, लेकिन उन्हें पता चला कि वो आज जल्दी घर चला गया है। तो थोड़ी देर चिड़ियाघर को इधर उधर देखने के बाद वो टिम्मथी के पिंजरे के पास आए उसे गुड बाय कहने के लिए। तब तक अंधेरा होने लगा था। He had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he found another keeper observing him with some alarm. Grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. वो बहुत प्यार से उसे सहला रहे थे और थप्पड़ मार रहे थे। 5 मिनट का समय हो गया था, तभी एक दूसरा रक्षक वहां आया जो उन्हें देख रहा था घबरा कर। दादाजी ने उस रक्षक को पहचान लिया। वह यहीं था जब वो पहली बार टिम्बती को चिड़ियाघर छोड़ गए थे। You remember me, said grandfather. Now why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? तुम मुझे पहचानते हो, दादाजी ने कहा। तो अब तुम टिम्बती को किसी दूसरे पिंजरे में क्यों नहीं रख देते, इस बेवकूफ तेंदुए से दूर? But sir, stammered the keeper, it is not your tiger. I know, said grandfather. I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. लेकिन श्रीमान, रक्षक ने हकलाते हुए कहा, यह आपका बाग नहीं है। जानता हूँ, दादाजी ने कहा। मुझे पता है कि यह अब मेरा नहीं है, लेकिन तुम मुझसे एक या दो सलाह तो ले सकते हो। मैं आपके बाग को अच्छी तरह से पहचानता था, रक्षक ने कहा। वह 2 महीने पहले मर गया। Died? exclaimed grandfather. Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm and increasing relish. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. With his face near the tiger's, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. मर गया? दादाजी ने चौंकते हुए कहा। हाँ सर, नमूनिया से। ये बाघ पिछले महीने ही पकड़ा गया है और यह बहुत खतरनाक है। दादाजी कुछ नहीं कह सके। बाघ अभी भी उनकी बाह को चाट रहा था। दादाजी को अपना हाथ खींचने में बहुत समय लगा। उन्होंने अपना चेहरा बाघ की ओर करते हुए कहा, शुभ रात्रि टिम्बथी। और उस रक्षक की तरफ घृणा से देखते हुए वो तेजी से चिड़ियाघर से बाहर आ गए। So this completes your story. Now we will do the question answer for this chapter. So let's move to page number 60, comprehension check 1. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have badged any game. The phrase in italics means grandfather was the most distinguished member of the party. Grandfather was the only sports person in the party. Grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Mark the right answer. The phrase in italics means grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Question number 2. Complete the following sentences. Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper. Second, one of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him, and so when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. Third, Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. Comprehension check 2. Grandmother's prophecy was that the tiger would prefer Mahmud's bed to sleep in. 2. And the cook would disappear together from the house. 3. Would one day make a meal of Mahmud. Mark the right answer. Grandmother's prophecy was that the tiger would one day make a meal of Mahmud. Question number 2. When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. The phrase in italics means that Timothy had grown to his full size. Timothy grew more friendly. Timothy grew less friendly, in fact, more dangerous. The phrase in italics means that Timothy grew less friendly, in fact, more dangerous. Third, write true or false against each of the following statement. Timothy and grandfather went to Lucknow in a special compartment. False. The compartment in which grandfather and Timothy traveled had no other passengers. True. Timothy and grandfather traveled in a first class compartment. True. All passengers in compartment thought that Timothy was a well fed and civilized tiger. False. Fourth, grandfather suggested that Timothy should be put in another cage. The reason was that the tiger had become very bad tempered. A leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. The cage was too small for a full grown tiger. The reason was that a leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Fifth, Tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. The phrase in italics suggested that Timothy was good natured, recognized an old friend, smelled fresh food. The phrase in italics suggested that Timothy smelled fresh food. Page number 65 exercise. Answer the following questions. Where was the tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him? Grandfather found the tiger cub was hiding among the intricate roots of banyan tree. What did Toto do to entertain Timothy? Toto teased and pulled Timothy by the tail to entertain him. What did he do when Timothy lost his temper? Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper. I became one of the tiger's favorite. Who is I in the statement? Why did he think so? In the statement, I refers to the narrator of the story, Ruskin Bond. He thinks so because the tiger was a crafty looking in his glittering eyes and crouching his body creep closer and closer to the author, suddenly making a dash for his feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite his ankles. Where was Timothy most comfortable during the day? Where was he during the night? Timothy was most comfortable on the long sofa in the drawing room during the day, which was his favorite place in the house. He slept at night in the cook's quarters. What was grandmother's prophecy about the cook? Did it come true? Grandmother's prophecy about the cook was that one day Timothy, sitting on the cook's bed, would make a meal of cook with his clothes and shoes left behind. However, it did not come true because the tiger had begun to stalk Mahmoud about the house with a villainous intent. What made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? When Timothy was about 6 months old, he grew less friendly. When out for a walk with the author, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. Sometimes at night they heard frenzied crackling from the poultry house, and in the morning feathers were lying all over veranda. And finally, when he began to stalk Mahmoud about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided to transfer Timothy to the zoo. Why did grandfather want Timothy to be put in another enclosure? A leopard in the next cage snared at Timothy. Every time the leopard would rush at the bars and Timothy had to slink back to his corner, so grandfather wanted Timothy to be put in another enclosure. What shocked grandfather in the end? Grandfather visited the zoo after 6 months to see Timothy and went to the cage where he was put in strictly. When grandfather asked to keep her to transfer Timothy to another cage, he said that the tiger in the cage was not Timothy. He was informed by the zookeeper that his tiger Timothy had died 2 months ago, which shocked him in the end. So, this completes your chapter number 9. We will do the next chapter in our next video. Thank you.